This is some serious wood rot at the bottom of my shop doors. These are exterior doors. So today we're going to be using some fiberglass resin to repair this. A little bit of rot here. It's good there. Again, we're just going to knock the rotted pieces out. And we're going to fix this with Bondo. We're going to take Bondo fiberglass filler and we'll fix all this with that. We're going to fill this gap up with some foam.
Okay.
We're going to trim this off so it's about a ½ inch deep at the most. Then we're going to take Bondo and fill it back in and make it smooth and repair this damaged wood, make it look good again. The reason this foam is black, it's a foam that's made for building pond rocks. It's pretty much the same as the regular yellow foam you see in the stores. It just has a black color to it. I had some already here. I decided to use it up. Because that looks good, we'll go ahead and fill that in. We're going to put a little bit in right here and then bulk of it right here. This foam is waterproof too, so any water coming in or leaking in, it shouldn't absorb any water. Okay, we'll let that harden up and we'll mix up another batch. Try to finish it off with the next coat. Okay, we got the next batch ready. We're going to go ahead and fill it in some more. So we got the basic shape with the cutting the excess off. I'm gonna just finish off the little bit I have down here to sand with the oscillating tool, and I have sandpaper pad. It's about 80 grit sandpaper. Should take care of this pretty quickly. Okay, I think that's good enough. Looks pretty smooth and should be a good repair. Are we ready to touch up the paint? I'm going to touch this up with 2 coats, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole frame over again. Okay, you can see the Bondo. We were able to shape it. Came out pretty good. So it's a good way to replace rotten wood, and you can shape it and make it look like the original wood. I want to thank you for watching my videos. I also have a video on replacing rotten wood inside of the metal clad doors. So please view if you have interest in it. Again, thanks for watching my videos, and please like and subscribe.